Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Kushag Agrawal. I am from SOSE Link Road Karolbagh and I study in the 11th class. I am 15 years old. My father is a shopkeeper and my mother is a housewife. I have spent 2 weeks in Paris from the 3rd of November to the 16th of November 2024. And there I felt truly amazed. It was my first time that I had boarded a flight, and it was the first time that anyone from our family has even boarded a flight. And going out of India was even a more special occasion. I felt very good that I got such an opportunity thanks to the Delhi government and the French government. And sometimes not even public school students get this kind of opportunity, and that too for free. We didn't have to pay a single penny to go there.
Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Ashita et je suis une étudiante à l'école DBRA SOSI Lajpat Nagar. Aujourd'hui, je voudrais partager mon expérience en France. Basically, I'm a student from a government school, which is a branch of SOSC, which stands for School of Specialized Excellence. And my school name is DBRA SOSC Lajpat Nagar. I have spent an incredible few weeks in Paris, where I stayed with my host families, which are in contact with the government, French government, which basically provide séjour. Séjour is like a short stay with French families. And I also learned my French at Alliance Française de Paris. This is an institute which is the head of all the French speaking classes, and I personally enjoyed myself a lot. When I was taking my French classes, I not only improved my Française accent, but also I felt immersed in the French culture. Since my childhood, my father has always paid attention to my education, and he has never failed at a single time providing me quality education, and for that he enrolled me in these special schools, which are very good action taken by the Delhi government, I must say. And my mother, she was so happy that she told me that you are the first person in our whole series, family series. You are the first person who is going to abroad, and she told me that this is an opportunity that you should not waste it like that. Yeah. My father, he is an engineer in a small company, so he doesn't have like much resources when he was a child. He was younger, so he doesn't want me to meet these circumstances. So he always pays attention to my education.
Bonjour à tous. Hello everyone. Je m'appelle Disha. I am Disha Bist. I am 16 years old. I am in class 11th of ASUSC Madanpur Khadar. I belong to a lower middle class family. My father works in a construction company as a painter. I got an opportunity to go to Paris to explore Paris from my school. I passed DELF A1 exam, and then I got the opportunity. When I got to know that I am going to Paris in this age, I am from government school. So everyone in my family was so happy. It was my first international trip. It was my first flight even, and nobody in my family has ever visited any international country. So it was a dream come true for me, my teachers, parents, everyone. So I feel like education is the base, and it's not a privilege. It's a basic right to each and every person, and Delhi government has made it come true. If we go few years back, nobody can imagine that a government school student can speak English. I'm talking in English, can go to Paris, can learn foreign language, but Delhi government had made it true. The best thing I don't know about other governments, but the Delhi government, the best thing about them is they pay attention to the education, to the base of the education is the base of every student, every family, every country, every state, and they made that possible. So that's really a very great thing in its own. Thank you so much.
बोजुर तुलमोन, मेरा नाम संजीत है। मैं कक्षा 8वीं का छात्र हूँ और मेरे स्कूल का नाम RSBB सुरेंद्र विहार दिल्ली 92 है। तो मुझे ये मेरा बहुत अद्भुत अनुभव था कि मैं वहाँ पे पेरिस गया और मैंने वहाँ के बहुत सारे मॉन्यूमेंट्स देखे, वहाँ की चीज़ें देखी, वहाँ के लोगों से मिला। और मुझे यकीन भी नहीं था कि जब से मैं फ्रेंच पढ़ रहा हूँ तो मुझे पता था कि कुछ बच्चे फ्रांस जाते हैं, लेकिन मुझे ये यकीन नहीं था कि मैं जाऊँगा। मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि जितनी अपॉर्चुनिटी पब्लिक स्कूल्स को नहीं मिलती है उतनी गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स को मिल रही हैं। और ये सब कुछ हमारे DBSE बोर्ड और IFA के थ्रू हुआ है, जो कि उन्होंने कहते हैं कॉन्टेक्ट सेंड किया। और इसमें बहुत बड़ा योगदान हमारे टीचर्स का भी है, जो हमें फ्रेंच पढ़ाते हैं। उन्हीं की वजह से हमें पता चलता है कि कौन कौन सी लीग चल रही है और हमें वो इतना अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं।